So here, Demoivre's theorem. So according to old weightage, 2 plus 7, 9 marks. New weightage, we are getting 4 marks extra. That means 13 marks. So in this Demoivre's theorem is extension of the complex numbers. Whatever we have in the complex numbers, so the same concepts again we are going to revise. Okay, so all the concepts we have in the Demoivre's theorem again. Okay, so and what is Demoivre's theorem? What is Demoivre's theorem? Okay, so if we go to Demoivre's theorem, it is very simple. Demoivre's theorem is very simple. Okay, so for example, cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. When we have the function cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n, okay, so we write this power n in front of the theta, in front of the theta. That is only Demoivre's theorem. Very simple. Means we write it as cos n theta plus I sin n theta, I sin n theta. So this cos, okay, so cos theta plus I sin theta only. In the short form we can write, okay, first C is nothing but cos, cos replace with C, and imaginary, okay, I, and sin theta means I am taking the first letter S, and we have common theta. So cis theta. We also write the cos theta plus I sin theta as cis theta, as cis theta. Okay, so if we apply the same formula in terms of cis theta, how do we get? How do we write? Cis theta whole to the power n is equals to cis of this power we write in front of the theta. There is no change. Same like that only. Okay, that means cis n theta. Cis n theta. Very simple. Demoivre's theorem is very simple, easy. Okay, writing the power n in front of the theta is only the Demoivre's theorem. That is only the Demoivre's theorem. Okay, is it easy or difficult?
Easy.
Very easy. Okay, very easy, simple. Okay, so now what we discussed in this Demoivre's theorem? What we discussed. Okay, so x plus iy or z is equal to, when we take a complex numbers we usually represent with z. Z is equals to x plus iy is a complex number. Okay, always we convert, okay, the complex numbers into mod amplitude form, mostly in the Demoivre's theorem, or into, okay, so cos theta plus I sin theta, I sin theta. Okay, this is called modulus amplitude form, modulus amplitude form, or mod amp form, mod amp form. Okay, what is R value here? What is R value here? Okay, so where R is equals to under root of x square plus y square, x square plus y square. Okay, this is the value of R. Okay, and we also use mostly repeatedly we use, okay, the concept cube roots of unity, 1 omega omega square are cube roots of unity, cube roots of unity. Frequently again and again we use this. Related to this we have the formula, we use the formula 1 plus omega square is equals to 0, and we also use one more, omega cube is equals to 1. These two are very important. Okay, and repeatedly we use this, repeatedly we use these. Okay, 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. Okay, so that means omega plus omega square is equals to -1 from here, or if you want 1 plus omega square value, then it is minus omega. If you want Okay, so 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega, then minus omega square, minus omega square. Okay, so and omega cube value is 1. What is omega cube value? It is 1. Now if you want omega power 4, omega power 4, omega power 4 is nothing but omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1, so 1 into omega, that is nothing but omega only. If you want to calculate omega power 5, okay, all the values, okay, more than omega power 3 are equal. Okay, so again we get 1 omega square only. Okay, all the terms omega powers, okay, we can write in terms of 1 omega square. Okay, if it is omega power 5, what we can write? We can write it as omega power 3 and omega square. Omega power 3 is 1, so 1 into omega square, so we get omega square only. Okay, if it is omega power 6, if it is omega power 6, so then omega cube whole square. Yes. Okay, omega cube is 1, 1 square is 1. So like this it will go. Omega, all the omega power 3 multiples, all the omega power 3 multiples are equal to 1 only. Means, okay, so omega power 3 is equals to omega power 6 is equal to omega power 9 is equals to omega power 12 is equals to, and so on. All these are equal to 1 only. All these are equal to 1 only. Understood? Okay, yes. These are very, very important, and repeatedly we use this. Other than this, we have some other formula also. Okay, so we'll discuss those concepts also. Before discussing that concept, okay, once we'll discuss, okay, so few VSQs, okay. So here I am explaining the question. If A comma B comma C are angles of a triangle, angles of a triangle, okay, comma, x is equal to cis A, comma, y is equal to cis B, comma, z is equal to cis C. Okay, then the value of x, y, z, then the value of x into y into z. What is the value of x, y, z? This is the question here. So now x into y into z is nothing but x means cis A, y means cis B, okay, and z means cis C. Z means cis C. Cis A into cis B into cis C. So we have a formula. We have a formula. What is the formula? Cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 is equals to cis of theta 1 plus theta 2 is the formula. Cis of theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, so if you apply the same formula, okay, right side part, we get cis of, okay, cis theta 1, cis theta 2, cis theta 3, like that we have. So cis of A plus B plus C we get. Okay, so given that A, B, C are angles of a triangle, okay, so it is also given as A, B, C are angles of a triangle, angles of a triangle. So that means always the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Is it correct or not?
Yes.
Okay, so write that value. That means cis of A plus B plus C, that is 180 degrees. Okay, cis of 180. Cis is nothing but cos plus I sin. Cos 180 plus I into sin 180. What is cos 180 value? That is minus 1 plus I into sin 180 value is 0. Minus 1 plus I into 0 is 0 only. Minus 1 plus 0, the value is minus 1. minus 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so once we'll discuss next question, one more. Here, okay, so if x is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta, then find x to the power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6, x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. So how do we solve this? Okay, so if given, what is given here? X is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. This is given. Then, okay, so here 1 by x, if we simplify 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta, okay, denominator have the complex number. We rationalize. Okay, means we multiply. Okay, so and divide by cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, so then finally by simplifying, we get cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, directly you can write cos theta is 1 is positive, 1 by x is negative. If x is okay negative, then 1 by x becomes positive. Okay, we have to change the sign in the middle. Only in this, when we have cos and I sin, then only we can write like this. So now what we have to find? X power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. This is equals to x. X is nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power 6, whole power 6 plus 1 by x cos theta minus I sin theta, cos theta minus I sin theta whole to the power 6. Power 6 we write in front of the theta. According to Demoivre's theorem, we write the power 6 in front of the theta. Okay, so if you write the power 6 in front of the theta, then we get cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. Okay, plus cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. I sin 6 theta, I sin 6 theta gets cancelled. Okay, cos 6 theta plus cos 6 theta, that is 2 cos 6 theta. Okay, this is only the required solution. Understood?